Students, this is the class of direct variation. So I will start direct variation today. This is the part of mathematics. What is direct variation? Two quantities are said to vary directly if one increases, if the increase in one quantity causes the increase in other quantity. That means if one quantity increases, other quantity increases. If one quantity decreases, other quantity decreases. What is quantity? Quantity is any measurable thing. That is number of men, right? Number of men, work, cost of article, number of article. These are all quantity. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to make a relation between these two quantities. That is called direct variation. So what is that is called variation, but there are two types of variation. One is direct variation, another is inverse variation or indirect variation. Today I will discuss direct variation. This is a class for direct variation 0, 1. Okay. Now suppose example, cost of article, number of article. Look, if cost of article increases, if number of article increases, cost of article also increases. Suppose the cost of 2 pen is rupees 10. So cost of 3, suppose the cost of 2 pen is rupees 10. So the cost of 3 pen will be more. The cost of 10 will be more. That means number of article increasing, cost price increasing. Suppose cost of 2 pen is 20. Cost of 1 pen is 10 because number of article decreases. That is, if number of article increases, it is increases. If number of article decreases, it is also decreases. So this type of relation is called direct relation or direct variation. Suppose more men, more work. If the number of men increased, work done will be more. If the number of men decreased, work done will be less. Provided number of days constant here. Number of days constant here. Suppose we have to whitewash this room. So if I go for one man, some portion of if I involve one man or if we employ one man, then some portion of if I employ 3 or 4 people at work, then the work will be done very soon. That means more the men, more the work done, lesser the men, lesser the men, lesser the work done. These are all examples of direct variation. Okay. Now to understand the theory, I will do a sum. If a laborer earns rupees 672 per week, that means in 7 days he is earning rupees 672. How much will he earn in 18 days? In 18 days, how much he will earn? Suppose this type of table you should do. Okay, let answer. Let he earns rupees X in 18 days. Look, more the number of days, more will be the earning. More the number of days, more the number of days, more the earning, right? More the earning. So it is a case of what? Direct variation. Direct variation. So look, we can do two things. In case of direct variation, same quantities are in the ratio. That means this one is to this one equal to this one is to this one. This one is to this one equal to this one is to this one. But in your book, generally what do? This one by this one equal to this one by this one. In direct variation, this one by this one, this one by this. They are in ratio. That means 7 by 672 equal to 18 by x. Now you go for linear equation, 7x equal to 672 into 18. So we are getting x equal to 672 into 18 by 7. 96 into 18. 1728. This is the answer, right? So in this way we can find this, or we can solve this type of. On the next video I will upload some different sums on this chapter. Thank you.